Here we are in the ancient city of Corinth. You can see the large pillars in the back. That is the Temple of Apollos. And we're standing in the marketplace here. You can see how close the temple was to the marketplace. They would sacrifice the meat to their gods and then sell the meat here in the marketplace, which is why Paul wrote about eating meat sacrificed to idols in 1 Corinthians. In the background is the Corinth, the high point of the city. So this is the center point of the main marketplace in Corinth. And then down the road here is the bēma seat where the Apostle Paul was in the book of Acts, over here to the right. Here is the bēma seat with Corinth in the background. And then here is the main road that leads from the harbor into the marketplace at Corinth. The main road would have been lined with numerous shops. Here we are at the Corinth. There is a German castle at the top that we are standing on. We just hiked about half an hour up this trail in front of us. It's about the mid-70s. It's not too warm. Really nice day. See the view of the Mediterranean Sea and the ancient city of Corinth there on the shore. Over to the right is the actual high point of the Corinth. And here is north, further into Greece in the direction of Athens. So now we have to hike 30 minutes back down the hill